Buenos dias, day 4 in the Amazon. Last night the weather cooled down a little bit and I could sleep so well till 5 a.m. in the morning. But the temperature increases so quickly. As you can see, it's very sunny now and it's not even 8 a.m. Breakfast time again. You can have the ayahuasca ceremony here. They are also selling cigarettes. Oh no! They have very good pineapple. It's very sweet. Pancake, avocado, toast, and don't know what's that, like a spring roll. It has cheese inside. How do you call this?
We call it pequeños.
Pequeños?
Pequeños.
Pequeños. I saw something like that in where?
Like, you know wonton?
Yeah, but
Yeah. But here we call pequeños.
But they roll it like a taco. Today we will go to a canopy, maybe do some zip lining, and then we will visit a local family after lunch.
The altitude of the tower is approximately 35-meter high.
Wow.
In total is 11 floors. Is a lupuna. Is the most biggest tree in the whole Amazon area. Grow approximately 60-meter height. Life 2,000 years. No.
Oh my god.
No.
Who built this one?
Approximately 4 years ago.
Who built it?
The managers.
Of the lodge?
No, another. And every 4 years, that company changed the wood.
Oh.
That is the last year.
It's over there. Oh. Wow, it's far. It's not very bouncy, but so far away. Alright, almost there. I was from there, walked all the way till here. And they only secure the bridge like this. Oh my god. Let's go on to the second one. My legs are still shaking, but I need to have a selfie. That's how they secure this bridge. Look. Wow. And the other way, you don't know where does it go. The trees are doing a very good job. Well done, guys. I thought I can have a break, but no. This one looks like you need to climb up. The bridge is not bouncy because it's only me walking at the moment, but my legs are shaking, which makes it bouncy. I'm going uphill. 2 macaws. No kidding. You need some energy to climb up here.
That is the end bridge.
Uy.
You can see here. Look.
Well done, Chico. Well done. You too. Well done. You as well. Well done, everyone. It's easy to climb up, but it's a little bit difficult to get down. Wow. Now I wonder why I paid for the hanging bridge in Costa Rica. We saw a group of... Wow! Whoa! We saw a group of blue macaw, which is very difficult to find. Oh my god, how to go down? It doesn't look very safe to do the zip lining here, so I'll walk back. Alright, let's go again. How do you call this?
This is the Cantesia fruit, but that fruit is not edible for animal and for us. Inside there is a seed.
We move each one and then place
Change.
back the new one.
Yes.
So they so every 4 years they do it one by one.
Yes.
How about the net?
Well,
Wow, the net is very difficult.
yes. Because, for example, saying the cable every 4 years change all.
Oh.
For example, one day is this cable.
Yeah.
Next day is another cable, and then they change the wood.
These are cottons.
Yes, cottons.
I saw the other ones on the other side is brown.
Yes, but for example, this kind of seed, the parakeets and macaw eat this.
Ah. I didn't realize it has a handle on this side. I only look at the dangerous side. This one is connected.
No.
No?
No. Because the roots go to the other direction, and this root another direction. Just
No, but look at this. This one is connected.
yeah, maybe.
Hello, little guy. Hola, chico. I had never heard of Puerto Maldonado until I researched on how to visit the Amazon in Peru. Previously, I thought I need to go to Iquitos from Lima, but Puerto Maldonado is only 1 hour away from Cusco by plane. At this moment, Sky Airlines has direct flights from Cusco twice a week, Monday and Wednesday. If you book your ticket early, it's only $15-16 plus tax, which is another $10. But you can only carry your handbag. I'll show you what I have. Otherwise, you need to pay for your carry-on and luggage. There are also overnight buses. The bus fare is around $20. It depends on the company. Mostly bus companies, they don't have too much restrictions on luggage. And if you take a bus, well, you can save 2 nights accommodation. Let's talk about accommodation in Puerto Maldonado. If you need air conditioning, fan, internet connection, or you're very picky on food, I think you should stay in the town because accommodation along the river, they have limited electricity supply. Only 2 hours at noon and then 3 hours at night. So there's no point to have a fan. For this place, I still can't find a spot to receive internet. Hello. Did you wake me up this morning? Cuckoo, cuckoo. I thought I'm gonna get a lot of mosquito bites, but I only got a few. Mostly I got them at night because I didn't use a mosquito net. Or maybe the repellent that I used this time is very powerful. I find my tour guide from another YouTube channel. The lady, she paid 200 something for a 4-day trip. I paid 300 something because I chose to stay in the reserve, which is the homestay. At first, I thought, oh, how come the price is so different? Because the accommodation is not that luxury. But for the last 2 days, he had been paddling the canoe for many times. And for me, I did nothing. I was just sitting there. He did try his best to find the animals that I want to see, like the otter and the sloth. By the way, it's a private tour. I didn't ask for a private tour, but maybe because of this moment of time, there are not too many tourists, or that's the way he guides his tour. Salad, omelette rice. What's the juice?
This is a coconut juice. It's a
This
family.
Coconut, but it doesn't taste like coconut.
This is a copasu juice. It's a family of the cacao.
Ah,
Family of the cacao.
so
Copasu.
Kokasu.
Star fruit?
Oh, this is for the star fruit.
Yes, carambola we call.
Oh, it has beautiful flowers.
Yeah.
Oh, these are the mangoes.
Yes. But
Wow,
here the
it
people
takes a long
eat,
time.
yeah. Here the people eat the green mango with the sauce.
Ah, yeah.
Here.
Use it like a salad. Oh. Oh.
Yeah. Try to
Let's
drink?
go.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
There is a water.
Where is the water?
No.
¿Eh? ¿Esta coconut sin agua? Sí, sin agua.
Sin agua, sin agua. Tanto que sufrí, carajo. A ver.
Un poco.
There is or no?
A little bit.
We need to cut more. A ver. Wait. Yeah. Like bananas.
This is a cacao.
Yes.
How long it takes them to grow?
Approximately 3 years.
Wow, for one.
No. For the fruit, yes, only 6 months.
The vegetation here is very interesting. It's very short.
Yes. You can see now the cotton. This cotton is very, very strong.
The cotton.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is
there's
the
a
seed. Yes.
Wow. We just walked 10 minutes from our lodge to this local family. This is the demonstration room, and the house is at the back. Oh, it's caliente.
Caliente.
Achote.
Achote. And the seed, the ladies use this kind of seed for paint the natural lipsticks, for paint the clothes, for paint the fish. The lady the function is for construction the clothes, for collect the cotton.
Oh.
Yeah.
See. Wow.
Right hand like this. Yeah. Left hand like this. And your finger straight. And then close one eyes. And then like this. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Good job. Yes. Good job. Sitaxiro.
This one the macaw?
Yes. Blue and yellow macaw feather.
Oh. One side is blue, one side is yellow. This is the feather from another macaw. This is ayahuasca?
Yes. This one.
Really? Wow.
You can see the big vines.
The one inside is the
Yes.
tree.
Yes.
And this is the branch.
The branch of the vine. This man for make ayahuasca water inside to cut approximately like this size, inside to boil approximately 6 or 7 hours with a chacruna plant. All is fusion. In 2 days you can drink the ayahuasca, but only a few cups,
Yes.
not a lot.
Wow, this is the cotton tree.
Cotton tree.
A lot.
Yeah.
That's the house inside. This is what I use as a handbag when I fly with Sky Airline. It can fit in a cube of outfit, a box of GoPro stuff, hairbrush, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, and then skincare. Here I have some Tylenol and a small torch. At the front I put some repellent, sunscreen, and a little notebook and pen in case I want to do some journaling. On the side I put a bottle of water and a pair of slippers. And I also have space to fit in my hat. By the way, I can also put a charger, power bank and cable. I bought this little shopping bag with me, so I can put my jacket and winter outfit and face shield inside, because when I go back to Cusco it will be very cold. I'm waiting for my boat to go back to Puerto Maldonado. This trip is way much better than I was expecting.